Alright, do you want to delete your Google Chrome search history and you don't know how to do that? Then don't you worry, because you're on the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact way how to delete your Google Chrome search history. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Google Chrome app and then just simply tap at the search bar. In that search bar, you will find your searches. Like I search for a website like Fiverr, and now come back and tap at that search bar. Here you can see I have just get that search which I have make recently. Just simply tap at that specific search and hold. Once you tap and hold, you will get this pop-up, and then just simply tap OK to remove that history of your search. Just simply tap OK. Here you can see we have just simply removed our recent search history. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you think that this video helped you and you learn how to delete your search history on Google Chrome, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in comment section below and I'll be to the next video. Thanks.